Yeah, I want to do a quick review on this pair of Costa sunglasses. My wife just got these in. She's been needing a new pair. First of all, it comes with a nice carrying case. It comes with a little towel to help keep lenses clean. Pair here has it's in brown color. Has good tint on it. Looks really good on my wife. I'll try it on me, but I can't say how it's gonna look on me. But my wife likes them. Like I said, a pair of Costas. If you know Costa, they're a really good name brand. They last a long time. They're good for whether you're driving on the beach, in the boat, or wherever. I'm playing golf. A good pair. You really need a good pair of sunglasses outside. It keep your eyes from being strained. Like I said, comes with a good case, towel to clean it. Looking for a good pair, check these out. Highly recommend it. And if you're looking for a good pair and this pair you think you're interested in, I'll leave a link in the description. You just click on it, it'll carry you over. You can purchase a pair like this yourself. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you got any comments or questions or anything, just leave them in the description. I'll get back to you.